Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we are back with our resort tour series in the Cancun area. We are at the RIU Palace Peninsula and I've got a room tour here for you. This is a junior suite and we are on the 15th floor. This is number 1521. And one of the cool features about this hotel is that all of the rooms have an ocean view. So we'll get to that at the end and I'll show you what the view looks like. Also, this is our second time at this hotel, and I'm just going to give you a couple of thoughts that we've noticed staying here for the second time, and that might help you on your stay. So let's get started flipping around this way, and we will start right by the front door as you walk in the room. So as we turn around this way, this is where you will come into the room. The first thing you will notice to your left is a door here where the toilet area is. And it is a spacious enough room, but we did notice that when you close the door, it gets very stuffy in there and there's not a lot of airflow. So apart from that, it is a nice private little area because the rest of the bathroom is open. So you don't have any other ways of getting privacy in the bathroom area or the rest of the room. Turning to the right here as you come inside the room, you've got a big closet here. So inside the first side here, we've just got a bunch of hangers here, storage up top. We've got an iron and ironing board on this side, and we usually store our luggages in there. So on this side of the closet here, we've got our mini safe right there. We've got lots of hangers on this side as well, and we've got more storage up top. You'll have an extra pillow and blanket there as well. And then turning around this way, behind this wall right here is where the main washroom area is. As you can see here, there's a large soaker tub in the middle of the room. So turning around this way, we've got the bathroom area. It's bright and open and doesn't actually have a door, but the shower is right there. We've got a double sink vanity here. We've got lots of space underneath if you want to store things there, but no shelving. We've got all your toiletries that are provided by the hotel and plenty of towels, a couple of cups over there, and a hair dryer over there on the wall, along with some outlets there for your hot tools or hair tools. Coming into the shower area, you've got a large shelf here for all your toiletries. The top shelf here will have all of your towels, but we have since used them as this is our checkout day. The shower itself is a really nice rainfall shower, and you also have a handheld shower head there. The shampoo is actually on the wall right there, and it gets restocked all the time, so you've got plenty of toiletries for the shower. One thing to note also about the bathroom area is that it is fully open. There is no door apart from the door to the toilet area. Some people might not like having a super open bathroom like this. For us, it's not an issue, but keep that in mind if that's something that might be an issue for you and your party that you're traveling with. Okay, so turning left from the closet area, what you'll find here is the coffee station and mini bar. The mini bar is down below here, so we'll take a peek at that first. Inside the mini fridge here, you will find tons of soft drinks. We've got plenty of beers here as well. They usually have two big tall water bottles in the fridge or up top. And like I mentioned, we've already used the room, so we've taken up some of those waters. Some soft drinks in here, soda waters and tonic water. And up here, we've got the coffee machine with decaf and regular coffee. You've got an ice bucket. They do have ice machines throughout the various floors. And one of the cool features as well about RIU is that they have built-in liquor dispensers right onto the wall. So you've got rum, vodka, tequila, and gin. And yeah, you could use that, and it's all inclusive as well. So beside the coffee station, you've got a little luggage bench here. And beside that, you will find a large dresser. Actually, it's a medium-sized dresser, I suppose. Got 4 drawers here. Decent amount of space in them. They are looking a little bit tired though. We've got a flat screen TV on the wall. And over here, we've got a couple of information sheets. We've got the room service barcode here. So room service is also included with your stay. And there's also a barcode here for the Renova Spa, so you can get any spa treatments that you'd like. And again, if you want to scan that to see what's available. Also, you have the service directory here in this binder, and just a little welcome card from our housekeeper. So turning around this way, we will check out the bed area first as we move along. So we've got this cute little towel art here that our housekeeper or cleaner made up for us. The bed is actually very spacious. We have the king size bed. There's different bed arrangements available for the different rooms. On either side of the bed here, we've got the nightstands. Each one has a drawer. And over above the nightstand here, we've got the outlet, the different lights for the lights around the room. We've got a reading light here. That one is burnt out. Also, there's a little card here on the nightstand that says if you put this on the bed, they will change your sheets for you. One thing I mentioned, or I forgot to mention about the soaker tub, is that it has the jets in it, so it's kind of like a jacuzzi tub, which is a nice touch, but we don't typically use that on our stay, but maybe you guys do. On this side of the bed, again, the nightstand here with the telephone. You've got the switch here for the fan if you wanted to use that. So turning right from the bedroom area, we have a little seating area here. So this couch is not a pull-out couch, but it's just a nice little lounge area here with a coffee table. And we've got a desk over here on this side here. We've got a welcome package from RIU and some more room service tags here for breakfast. So overall thoughts on the room is that we found it very comfortable for us. It does look quite a bit tired and has not been updated since we have been here in 2019. It could use definitely a little bit of refurbishment or refreshment. The new style of the RIU Hotels are a little bit more light and airy feeling as opposed to the purple and dark colors in this room. But again, we found it comfortable enough for us, so I'm sure it'll do the trick for you guys. All right, so let's head out to see the view. Like I mentioned, we are on the 15th floor here, and we've got a really nice view of the Cancun Strip, and across from us we've got Isla Mujeres. So coming out onto the balcony here, we've got 2 lounge chairs here with a little table in the middle. We have got a little drying rack over here, and the star of the show here is the gorgeous view. So today is a little bit hazy, but we've had really good weather on this trip so far. You could see the pool area down there, and the rest of the Cancun Strip going this way. And as you can see right across from there, hopefully, that is Isla Mujeres. So we did do a full tour of the Hotel RIU Palace Peninsula. Also, we have tours of all the other RIUs in the Cancun area, so make sure you stay tuned for those on our channel. That right there is RIU Caribe, and we have a tour of that as well. So make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our tours that we post on there. If there's anything that I missed in this video, please leave a question or comment down below, and I'd be happy to answer anything that I might have missed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.